Are you having a rough week? I feel that. So let's go and make our weekend amazing. Hey, Localtarians! We're back, baby. We are back, and we're ready to find some amazing things to do this coming weekend. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, April 8th, 9th, and 10th. So let's get started finding some amazing places to go and some great things to do. Get your family together, have a little fun, get out of the house for a change. Let's get to it. Friday! 9 a.m. Matt Paxton at Goodwill Industries of Central Florida in Winter Garden. He is that decluttering expert that you know from Hoarders. Amazing guy. He's got a new book, so he's going to be doing a book signing, and it is for a donation drive. It's a free event, so come on out and meet Matt. 11 a.m. Bunny photos at the mall at Millennia. It's going on Sundays from 9 a.m. and Mondays through Fridays till 11 a.m. until April 16th. So come on out and say hey to Mr. Easter Bunny. 12 p.m. Opera Orlando, The High Note, Rigoletto online. We're going to put that link down in the description. If you're interested, you can check out some amazing opera. 4 p.m. on Friday, Ocoee Music Fest. This is night one of, I believe, 3 nights, and that's 90s hits at Bill Breeze Park. So come on out and rock out to some great 90s music. 6 p.m. the parking lot party at Poor Choice Tap House over there in the Mills 50 District. Come on out, enjoy a great time out in the parking lot and have some fun. Meet some of your friends out there, grab some drinks, and enjoy a fun-filled evening. 6 p.m. Attack plus special guests at the Abbey. 6:30 p.m. Orlando Taco Week dinner at Publix Supermarket at Winter Park Village. Tacos. Let's get out there and grab some of those tacos during this amazing week and see what they've got cooking for you. 7 p.m. Bruin View, Xenon Girl of the 21st Century at Ivanhoe Park Brewing Company. Come on out and enjoy this amazing movie and grab some amazing brew. 7 p.m. on Friday, The Drowsy Chaperone at Darden Auditorium, Rosen College of Hospitality Management, UCF. $15 to get into this amazing stage production and get out there and support some local theater, guys. All right, guys, 10:30 p.m. Cinchada Nights at the Zebra Room. All right, guys, so there's lots of great stuff going on. Check out a great favorite brewery, maybe Orlando Brewing or the ones that you like. There's so many great ones. We do have some videos on that too. And make sure that you check out some fun things. And don't forget to go over and look at our Local Love Orlando Facebook page, because every single day we put up a new event post just for you guys so that you're never bored. So check it out. And we've got other videos for you as well. Lots of great stuff. You could even follow us on Spotify and get that local music going. Also, guys, make sure you check in the description for some of the links for some of our amazing food journals and other notebooks that we're promoting right now. We're going to be doing some book talk journals coming up here shortly. So if you're all about that book life, check it out. All right, guys, let's move it into a simpler time. That day that brings the heat, Saturday. All right, guys, 8:30 a.m. Easter breakfast and egg hunt at 6800 Lake Underhill Road in Orlando. Bring the kiddies out, have some Easter fun, and enjoy. 9 a.m. on Saturday, Exceptional Family Festival at Center Lake Park. Got those Easter baskets? Get out there and grab you some eggs and enjoy a great day together with your family. 9 a.m. on Saturday, April Easterfest at Audubon Park Church. Lots of eggs hidden in this town. Make sure you get out there and find a few for yourself. 10 a.m. Hop to it at Back to Nature Wildlife Refuge. It's free to $5 to get in. Let me tell you guys, if you've never been out to the Back to Nature Wildlife Refuge, they are absolutely amazing. Go out there and check out some of the most beautiful animals you've ever seen. They have some big cats. They have amazing little prairie dogs and all kinds of great things. It's a great day for kids to learn more about animals. So bring them on out to Back to Nature Wildlife Refuge for some fun. 12 p.m. on Saturday, spring photo event at Pet Supplies Plus in Orlando on Goldenrod. Come on out and get those spring pics of your pooch or whatever little animal you want to bring in and enjoy. 12 p.m. Plant-Based Festival Plus Social at Persimmon Hollow Brewing Company. All right, guys, come on out there by Lake Eola and enjoy this great plant-based festival. You're going to have some great food, so delicious. And, of course, there's going to be amazing people like yourself out there to hang out with. 2 p.m. Eggs and Kegs, the Hop Around Ivanhoe Village. Come on out and get your Easter on adult style and grab you a nice fresh brew, walk around the village and see what's happening. 5 p.m. on Saturday, brews around the zoo at the Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens. $50 and up for this adult event. Enjoy all the great beer they've got going on and say hey to the animals. 7 p.m. Easter Social Swing Dance in Orlando at Vintage Dance Company in that Mills 50 district. Coming out and enjoy a little swinging around. Bring your partner round and round. It's going to be a lot of fun. 7:30 p.m. Mirror Parts, Surf Witch, Twin Suns, and Streetlights for Empty Streets at Stardust Video and Coffee. Got to get out and support that local music, guys. We got so many amazing musicians in this town and bands, so check out the music that they're putting out there just for you guys. And last but not least for your Saturday, Rubik's Poob Baby Adam at Uncle Lou's Entertainment Hall. $3 will get you into this great local show. Come on out and say hey. Let Uncle Lou know that Local Love sent you his way. All right, guys, you know what that means. It's time to bring it down just a notch, just a tiny little notch, and head into Sunday. All right, guys, 10 a.m. Impressions of Life, Joza Uprika at Albin Polosek Museum and Sculpture Gardens. $12 will get you into this amazing event. Get out there and get your art on. And, of course, it's going on until April 17th, so this could be your last chance. Come on out and enjoy it this week. 10:30 a.m. Drag Brunch, Lipstick Overload at Island Time. 11:15 a.m. 2022 Florida Film Festival at Enzian Theater. It's actually going on Friday and Saturday as well. Make sure you get out to Enzian during that great event. Enjoy some wonderful films and their amazing Eden Bar. 12 p.m. Orlando Local Makers Pop-Up Market at the House on Lang. This is a free event, so come on out, support local makers everywhere in our city. 12 p.m. National Young Composers Challenge Composium at Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. Another free event going on Sunday. Check it out and get out there if you're a composer and you want to take this challenge. Come on out and listen to this amazing musical experience. 3 p.m. Central Florida Jazz Society presents Jeff Bush, music from the swing era at Blue Bamboo Center for the Arts. $20 and up to get into this great show. Come on out and support the jazz community. 4 p.m. Bluebonnet.Mandela online. If you're looking to create some new art and wanting to stay home to do it, no problem at all. We got you covered. Check the description for the link to get you into that event. 5 p.m. on Sunday, Monticelli at Boxy Park, Lake Nona. So much great local music going on through our city, guys. So get out there and get hopping. 8 p.m. Modern Color, Heart to Gold, Tesplora, Palm Tree Square at Will's Pub, Orlando. $12 will get you into this great show. So much amazing music will be playing. They've got so much going on there. Great brews, great craft cocktails, and really amazing people. All right, guys, and last but not least for your Sunday night, K-pop rave at the Geek Easy. Guys, if you've never been out to the Geek Easy, it is so much fun. They have themed cocktails and, of course, amazing brews. Lots going on, lots of neat people, and it is a nerdy paradise. So come on out and check it out for yourself. Lots of cool people. All right, guys. Well, that is going to wrap up all the great events, but we are hoping that you guys have an amazing Easter and that you get reared up and go check out the Easter Bunny, find some of those hidden eggs, and get out of your comfort zone this weekend. Step out of the house, have a little fun, maybe head to the beach, do what you want to do. Should be beautiful weather for it. Make sure that if you guys are looking to relax, that you check out our beautiful Coffee in Full Color adult coloring book and Coffee Facts. Lots of great stuff in there. I think you'll find it very relaxing, very fun. You can also check out our video on it if you haven't seen it in person yet, so make sure you check it out. The link is in the description. All right, guys, make sure you tell us what you thought of our video, and if you want to reach out to us, this is how you can find us. Please follow us on all our platforms, and peace. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.